FSB series fluoroplastic alloy pump assembly. Step 1. Lay pump cover on the ground. Install the static ring with shining face upward, applying engine oil on the seal face. Install the gland. Adjust the gap. Tighten the bolt diagonally. Install the pump cover assembly. Loose the mechanical seal locking screw. Push the mechanical seal. Tighten the round nut. Step 2. Lay the pump casing on the ground. Put the impeller and pump cover assembly onto it. Install the bracket on the pump body and tighten the mounting locking washer and nuts. Step 3. Tighten join bolt and nut. Use the spanner to press it against mechanical seal, and tighten the locking bolt. Turn the coupling and make sure there's no friction.